WD-40. It's sitting in almost every garage, but here's what most people don't realize. The majority of users barely scratch the surface of what it can actually do. That small blue can is capable of far more than people think. It has thousands of documented uses, yet the real money-saving ones rarely get talked about openly. Professional mechanics know a few tricks that can cut repair costs fast, from quiet fixes to stopping rust in its tracks, bringing neglected parts back to life, and protecting metal from corrosion. These aren't the usual everyday tips. These are the kinds of techniques you typically learn inside a workshop, not on the label of the can. Stay with me, because one of the last tricks is so effective that some repair shops don't even like customers knowing about it. Trick 9. Restore cloudy headlights. When headlights turn yellow or hazy, it doesn't just look bad, it reduces visibility. That cloudy layer scatters the beam, making nighttime driving harder and less safe. Most people think they need an expensive restoration kit, but there's a quicker option. Spray WD-40 evenly over the headlight lens, then wipe it gently in circular motions using a clean microfiber cloth. You'll notice the surface becoming clearer and shinier almost instantly. The liquid helps reduce the dull appearance and creates a temporary smooth finish that improves light clarity. It also helps repel moisture from the surface. It's not a permanent restoration, but it works well before a night drive or when preparing the car for sale. Many detailers use this as a fast cosmetic touch-up before presenting a vehicle. Now you know how to bring back that clear look in just a few minutes. Trick 8. Stop battery corrosion. Battery corrosion is one of those silent problems that builds up slowly, without you even noticing. It usually begins as a light green or white crust forming around the terminals. Over time, it spreads, weakening the connection and restricting the flow of electricity. Then one day, you turn the key, and the car won't start. Before assuming your battery is dead, try this. Spray WD-40 directly onto the corroded terminals and let it work into the buildup. You'll see it begin loosening the grime. Wipe everything clean with a dry cloth, then apply a light second coat over the terminals. It doesn't just break down the corrosion that's already there, it also leaves behind a thin protective layer that helps block moisture and acidic vapors from coming back. The result? Better electrical contact, smoother starts, and cleaner battery terminals for a long time. If you're still watching and enjoying these tips, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel and tells us you want more smart car fixes like this. It's a simple fix many mechanics quietly do before returning your keys and saying, "All good now." Trick 7. Temporarily silence squeaky belts. You're stopped at a red light when a sharp squealing noise starts coming from under the hood. People look around, and you just hope the light turns green fast. That sound isn't something serious breaking, it's usually your serpentine belt slipping. This happens when dust, moisture, or buildup causes the belt to lose proper grip on the pulleys. It's loud, annoying, and honestly one of the most embarrassing noises a car can make. Before rushing to replace the belt, grab your WD-40. With the engine completely off, apply a light. Even spray to the belt and pulley area. Start the engine again, and in many cases, the noise fades away immediately. WD-40 helps loosen grime and reduce the surface contamination causing the slip, allowing smoother contact. It's not meant as a long-term repair, but it's a quick way to check whether the issue is dirt, tension, or alignment, and it can save you an unnecessary trip to the mechanic just to silence that squeal. Trick 6. Free stuck bolts without heat. You're dealing with a bolt that just won't budge. The harder you pull, the tighter it feels, and all you hear is the wrench straining. Rust has practically welded it in place. Most people respond with a torch or excessive force, and that's usually when things snap, strip, or break. Instead, reach for WD-40. Spray it generously onto the rusted threads, and give it about 10 to 15 minutes to penetrate. The liquid works its way into the tiniest spaces, loosening the corrosion that's locking everything together. When you come back and try again, the bolt often turns smoothly, like it was never stuck to begin with. No heat, no broken hardware, no damaged edges. This method is especially useful for exhaust bolts, battery terminals, or suspension nuts that haven't moved in years. Some mechanics make it look like pure experience, but in reality, it's about using the right solution at the right time. And now, you know it too. Trick 5. Unstick frozen car locks and doors. It's a freezing morning. You walk out with your coffee, ready to leave, and your car door won't open. You pull again. Still nothing. The lock is frozen, and you're stuck outside while your car sits there covered in frost. This is where WD-40 can make a big difference. Spray a small amount directly into the keyhole and lightly around the door seals. Give it a few seconds to work its way inside. The formula helps push out moisture and reduces the freezing buildup inside the mechanism, loosening the ice that's holding everything shut. Try the handle again gently, and the door should open much more easily. Even better, applying a light coat before winter starts can help prevent locks and seals from freezing in the first place. Many technicians do this when preparing vehicles for cold storage. And now you can handle those icy mornings without forcing the door, or risking breaking the handle. Trick 4. Eliminate dashboard creaks and interior squeaks. You're driving peacefully when that small rattle from the dashboard starts up again. It's faint but constant, and once you notice it, you can't ignore it. It's not a serious problem, just dry interior panels rubbing against each other as the car moves. Most of the time, the noise comes from plastic edges and joints shifting slightly while the cabin flexes. To quiet it down, spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a clean microfiber cloth, never directly onto the dashboard, and gently wipe along panel seams, air vents, and where plastic pieces meet. The light coating reduces friction between those contact points and helps condition the surface at the same time. In moments, the creaking fades away and the cabin feels solid and quiet again. As an added benefit, it refreshes the look of interior trim with a mild, clean finish instead of a heavy shine. It's a quick touch many detailers use before delivering a vehicle. Now, you can bring back that smooth, quiet ride whenever those little noises start creeping in. Trick 3. Bring back wiper efficiency. It's raining hard. You switch on your wipers expecting a clear view, but instead you get streaks, smudges, and that annoying chattering sound across the windshield. It's more than irritating. It reduces visibility and makes driving in the rain riskier than it should be. Over time, wiper blades collect dust, oil, and road grime. That buildup hardens the rubber, stopping it from making smooth contact with the glass. Before replacing the blades, try this. Spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a microfiber cloth and gently wipe along the full length of each rubber blade. After that, clean the windshield surface as well. This helps break down the residue and refresh the flexibility of the rubber, allowing the blades to move more smoothly again. The improvement is noticeable right away. Quieter movement and a cleaner, clearer wipe even during heavy rain. It's a simple detailing trick often used to freshen up a vehicle before delivery. Now it's something you can use anytime the weather turns bad. Trick 2. Protect electrical connections. Moisture and electricity are a dangerous combination. When water gets into wiring connectors, sensors, or fuse terminals, it can lead to warning lights, engine misfires, or even a complete shutdown. Here's a simple trick mechanics quietly rely on. Before the rainy season or any wet weather, disconnect each electrical plug and spray a light mist of WD-40 on the metal contacts. The formula pushes out trapped moisture and leaves a thin, protective layer over the pins. This barrier blocks humidity, salt, and corrosion without affecting conductivity. Wipe off any excess and reconnect everything. Suddenly, those delicate electrical connections are much more resistant to oxidation and stay cleaner for far longer. It's preventive magic. One small step that helps your car's entire electrical system run smoothly, rain or shine. Trick 1. Stop door hinge creaks. That slow, high-pitched squeak when you open a car door isn't just annoying, it's metal grinding against metal, slowly wearing away the hinge. Instead of ignoring it or using heavy grease, grab your WD-40. Attach the straw nozzle and give each hinge a short, targeted spray. Then open and close the door a few times to let the formula work its way in. Almost instantly, the squeak disappears, replaced by smooth, silent motion. WD-40 reduces friction and leaves a protective layer that guards against rust and moisture. It's the difference between a car that sounds worn out and one that opens with the quiet precision of a well-maintained ride. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, shop-tested fixes that keep your car looking and running its best. And before you go, check out our next video, Easy Car Reset Tricks that solve most problems for free. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these WD-40 hacks. Tell us which one worked best for you.